Hello, this is Sarah, and today I'm going to be working on using the theme builder to improve the debate diary activity. You might remember that this was the first thing I did in slides, and I like it. Just a quick refresher, it's this little activity that students can go through and just upload videos of themselves. So you give it to them as a freshman, they upload videos, and over time they are able to track their progress. And kind of my hope here is there's some choice, like they get to choose how to create the video. And if you actually look in here, I don't tell them how to create the video. These are really smart students, and kind of my thought is that they get to learn how to create videos. In the classroom, I would give them like 2 or 3 tools to use, and they get to choose it. They get to learn how to upload it into Drive, and I think that's a cool part of technology for these pretty bright high school students is trial and error. If this is in middle school, I would say, okay, use this or this and have step-by instructions, but these students have been using technology, they're really advanced, and I think it's fun for them to have that trial and error. But there's still like instructions on how to upload a video to Drive in the slide notes, just because I think that's kind of difficult. So that's where we have some choice, some activeness, and it's also goal. I try to be goal directed because like I think this is really giving them something they couldn't without technology, which is the ability to track their progress. In debate, you, especially this event, you say a speech once and you literally never give it again. And so this is an opportunity to say like, this is what I was like as a freshman, this is what I was like as a senior, which is really sweet. So the purpose of this class is to use technology in a way that you couldn't replicate without technology, and I think this is a perfect example of that. So what I'm going to be doing today is changing it a little bit so that some things are baked in. So here, this is a text box, this is a box, and so what I want to do today is improve on this so that these kind of things are baked in. And I've used Theme Builder before, but I've not used it on an existing activity. So I think what I want to do is delete anything that I want to be baked in. So I want this box to be baked in. I want this to be typed. So I'm just going to start by doing this. So it says debate activity and then adding this box into Theme Builder. And I know it gets squirrely. Nope. I know it gets squirrely when you have slides open, so I'm wondering how this is all going to go. Okay. Oh, I clicked on the wrong thing. View, Theme Builder. So again, I went to View, clicked on Theme Builder. So now I'm in my theme. So click on a style to edit. I want to start with my title slide. So this is just the regular theme. I like this. I don't want to change anything about it. But if I were to go here, I could change all of the slides. So click to edit theme title slide. So this is the activity that, or this is of the original theme slide, like title slide right here. And I obviously changed it around a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I want to add a text box that says debate diary that they can't remove. But I think I want to put a text box that says debate diary activity. And I did practice this beforehand, so I'm not going in blind. But I did it a few days ago, so this is also a test to see if I can remember. So this right here, the formatting is Anna used 52. Okay, so I'm gonna do Anna use your telescope. Cute little font, I love that. I'll try to remember to type it somewhere because this is a really cute little font. I'm gonna bold it. So what I did was Command B, and then I'm gonna match it to this color. And I don't need this, so I'm going to delete this. Oh, if it will let me. So this, I should have mentioned this earlier, my apologies. this is a theme that I imported from SlidesGo. You can see right here. And so one of the things that I really hope to learn here is I love these SlidesGo templates, but of course they're not going to be perfectly suited to my, the things I do. And so I want to learn how to customize them. So I'm going to delete this. And so I have debate diary activity. And then what I want is a subtitle holder right here where they can put like their name. Perfect. And so this is where their name can go, the year. I feel like that doesn't look good. I like things to look good. Who doesn't, right? But so one thing I really have grown to appreciate throughout this tech dive, this sounds silly, is this bar right here. On my other tech dive, I've been making resources on Canva and Adobe Express, and none of them have these bars right here. I'm trying to make sure the video can see. Oh. Can the video see what I'm... Oh my goodness, I just realized that the video can't see what I'm doing in Theme Builder. I have this set up to my browser. But I guess it doesn't carry over into Theme Builder, so now this has become an activity in OSB. I'm gonna try one thing to see if this will work. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to record this video. Yes, let me try this. Then I'm gonna... So I've added the link that it's open to on Theme Builder. Okay. Well, I'm going to leave this in. So for anyone in the class who just watched the video, what I just did on OBS is I realized that it wasn't showing my Theme Builder. And so what I did was I went to my sources, and I have two browsers set up in this just in case I need to switch. I went to browser, I double clicked, I scrolled all the way down and clicked on properties, and then I added the URL of what I'm currently on, which is the URL with Theme Builder open. And then if I change it and I hide this, this is my browser one is open to just the slideshow. So if you're going to be showing slides, you need to have the URL that includes the Theme Builder in. So now we're on the same page. I'll probably type that out. I'll type that out because I think that's a useful thing that I just learned. So thank you for participating in that aside of me learning about OBS. So what I've done is I came into here, I added this by going to text box, type this out. So this is baked in. The students can't change this. This, students can change. What I did there is I went to the T, insert text box holder, clicked subtitle text box holder, and I'm actually going to do that again. Oh, yes. So I'm going to take this, which is a weirdly large box for no reason. And all it's going to, oh, I actually don't want to do that. I'm so sorry. Click, delete. Text box. And I'm just going to make it say 2022 through 2023. 2022 through 2023. Just for students to remember. And what I was talking about when I realized that it wasn't working is PowerPoint has these sliders up here that help me understand where the center is. So what I'm seeing on my screen is this needs to be centered, and this also says 2203. So I'm going to center that by going up here, clicking center. I'm going to change the color to be in the theme. This is a huge asset of the SlidesGo family slides, is they come with these templates of color, so everything just is cohesive. Okay, so now all students can do is add their name. And up here, there's these sliders. I'm trying to see, yeah, I'm trying to show it, but people can't see it. Well, that's okay. But Slides makes it really easy to align things, easier than Canva and Adobe Express is what I'm trying to get at. Okay, so I've made this. So now I want to come to one of these just blank fun slides and make it so that students have a box that's baked in for where they should upload their video and the ability to type out what they want to add. So I'm going to go to boxes, shapes. I think I like the rounded. I'm just going to go here. Nice color, type, insert, video, clip here. Center that. And use your telescope because I think it's just the cutest font ever. Bold, so it's easier to read. And then we're gonna go with some font that's easy to see. That is not easy to read, absolutely not. Maybe a dark brown, yeah, okay. So now this is not, so now it's still staying on the debate activity. So I'm gonna go in and change the browser URL again so you can see what I'm working on. Oh. Okay, so this is in Theme Builder what I'm working on. I added this box right here by going to shape, shape, shape. And then I just double clicked on the box to make this text box and typed insert video clip here so students won't be able to change that. That box and that text is there forever. What they can change is what I'm about to add, which I go to insert text placeholder. And then I'm gonna, this is just an editable theme. Gonna make sure it's aligned on the page. Now it is. And I'm gonna make it centered. Okay, well that was pretty short, but what I did was I utilized the theme builder to bake in what I wanted to bake and to make customizable what I wanted to make customizable. And along the way, I learned more about using the browser function on OSB and found a fun text box. This did not take very long. This took me about like 8 minutes. And I made it easier for students to not mess with my slides. And I crossed something off that was one of my hopes for this, which is learn how to customize these pre-made slides for my uses. So if you want to use Theme Builder, I would recommend watching a video and then going to View, Theme Builder, and opening this and get started. Something I did that took more time but was actually really helpful was I made these slides first in regular slides and then just copied that style onto Theme Builder. I don't know why that was helpful. I think it's just because Theme Builder adds this extra element. Everything's a little more complicated. There's these new steps. But I've already have in my mind what I want to make because I've already made it, especially for a Theme Builder newbie. That was really helpful. So those are my main takeaways. Theme Builder is easy to use, especially if you watch videos. It can help students focus on what's important and only customize what they want to. And it's helpful to make the slides on regular Google Slides if you're still learning to use Theme Builder. And I need to do a little bit more of a deep dive on OBS to learn how to properly share my screen. So thank you for watching. This has been my adventure in Theme Builder. Down below will be my final project, which is kind of showcasing the two major slideshows I've made, the Intro to Extemporaneous Speaking and a slides activity about Canva versus Adobe, really merging my two resources. So thank you for your time.